أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم، والصلاة والسلام على رسولنا الكريم سيدنا ومولانا وحبيبنا محمد صلى الله عليه وسلم وعلى آله وصحابه وسلم، الذين قال لهم الناس إن الناس قد جمعوا لكم فاخشوهم فزادهم إيمانا وقالوا حسبنا الله ونعم الوكيل، نعم المولى ونعم النصير. فانقلبوا بنعمة من الله وفضل لم يمسسهم سوء واتبعوا رضوان الله والله ذو فضل عظيم. آمين. My brothers and sisters, I welcome all of you with Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May the peace, blessings, and mercies of Allah be upon all of you. This is going to be the continuation of our discussion about Hepatitis B virus, a virus that is dangerous to health, a virus that is dangerous to humanity, a virus that is killing people as even beyond the death, a virus that determined to destroy the liver, a virus that can cause consistent malaria in the body, a virus that can puncture the liver to cause a leakage to the body system whereby the urine will change. We have discussed this yesterday. I made mention of a little definition and historical background of hepatitis B. Actually, I don't know what happened. Maybe the program has been flagged off, or something else happened. I don't know. It just went off. Alhamdulillah. A lot of questions concerning yesterday's program. I received many questions, many concerns, and many victims. They wanted to know the way out. I was unable to reach where I'm going yesterday. I was unable to reach a place where I will mention the solution. Some people ask a question that you said there is no cure for it. Don't mistake. Don't misquote. Don't misinterpret my message. I'm an academician. In academy, we present a paper in such a way. The paper we have introduction, the abstract, the introduction, the theoretical framework, the conceptual framework, the body of the paper, and the conclusion, the recommendation. I was not able to reach where the conceptual framework will appear to us in order to showcase some of the solution to come out of that hepatitis B disease. The program was flagged off. I don't know. I don't mention name of anybody. I don't destroy any market. I'm just trying to let people know this is real. This is killing people. And my mission is to save humanity. I never advertised anything yesterday. I never made mention to anybody yesterday that I have a solution. That is where we want to start today. Hepatitis B. Hepatitis B. Disease starts today. Hepatitis B. I said it yesterday that this disease have already enraged more than 70 people in Nigeria. If I can't mention the word, we are able to get the quota, the data of the people in Nigeria, those people that registered, those people that able to do the test, and the test captured to have that they were positive to hepatitis B. More than 70 Nigerians has this virus. You may not know because you don't have the virus, and your relative, your family, may God forbid, they don't have it. That's why you don't know what I'm saying. You can ask medical doctor. You can go to any diagnostic center. You can go to any lab where they are doing tests. You will see what I'm saying. Hepatitis B is very real. That is the first thing. The second one I want to clarify today. One of the doctors said, he called me yesterday night. I was watching your program. I look into what you are saying. I watch it to where you stop. I said, yes, it is okay. Any comment? The doctor said, he quoted my words that you may not be 100%, but you are on the point. I said, thank you. This doctor said, there is no any medical solution for hepatitis B. I said, yes. But he made mention of 3 or 4 medical pills that can elongate the life of the victim. I promise the doctor, that doctors, without mentioning the name, that I will say it. These medical doctors agree that hepatitis B has no medical solution, but there are some pills, there are some medical pills, there are some, Western, I don't know how to say it, there are some, a pill, a drug you can get from hospital that can elongate the life of the victims. These doctors mention like 4, 5 of such medical pill. Meanwhile, I asked him, this pill is nothing but to assist, protect the gallbladder. That is where I'm going. Whoever have hepatitis B, please look for solution. The solution I'm talking about is a natural medicine. Since medical environment, clinical environment exhausted their capacity, and they came out that this problem has no solution. And the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Ma anzalallahu da'an illa anzalallahu dawa." There is no any disease without solution. This is a challenge to a scholar, because the Prophet will never lie. He said, to every disease there must be a solution, one way or the other. We might not able to decipher the solution. We might not able to decode the causes of the problem to know the solution, but there is solution to it. This is the reason why Skola Research Islamic Foundation prompt us to look for solution to such virus. I know hepatitis B is not the only virus on the heart, but as I said yesterday, is one of the major virus that can kill people without being noticed. Today, I want to discuss about the solution. Somebody called me, oh doctor, please, you talk too much, just go to the solution. We want to know if I have hope on heart or not. You have hope. I'm giving you this hope, and I will make mention of some hope, especially what you can eat, at what you must avoid due to the circumstantial inexactness in your hormone system, due to the problem your hormone has, due to the side effect of the virus in your body system. There are some food you supposed not eat again. There are some fruit you need to stay away from. There are some drug you must not even go close to eat. we are talking about the liver, and this liver has no repair. The moment your liver destroy, you are going to die. Actually, there are some problem of liver that has solution, especially if the doctor tell you you have liver enlargement. There is a natural solution to it. There is a herbal solution. Liver enlargement, maybe your liver is somehow swell out bigger than normal. There is a solution for it. If you have fatty acid on the liver, there is solution for it. If they tell you that your liver, there are some water inside your liver, it has a name in medical terminology, but I'm not in that. I'm just telling you there is solution for it. All the problem your liver might have, that might have impact your liver, there is solution for it, except hepatitis B. This hepatitis B is not the problem that the hepatitis B caused to your body that does not have solution. It is the virus that tainted your blood. Even if this hepatitis destroy your liver and we are trying to treat you, we can treat you to the extent that all your body system will be okay. All the symptoms will disappear. Your eyes will change to normal. Your urine will change to normal. You will not feel the pain in the right side again. You will be okay, but you may still be positive. That is what I'm talking about, that this virus is dangerous. It's just like you get a pen. You write something on a paper, on a white paper, and you use your saliva to clean it. No matter how you try, you will still see the impact of that line on that paper. That is how the virus look like. The moment it enter your blood, it will taint it and change it to something else. If you are using something to clean it, I'm saying this not only to advertise. I want to let you know, if you buy herb somewhere and this herb does not cause any problem to your body, all the symptoms, all the complaints disappear, but you are still positive, don't blame the person that did the herb for you. He has tried, and what he did will sustain you for some time. Don't look at money, the money you are spending, little, 5,000, 10,000 somewhere. Don't look at it. Just focus on the problem in your front, how to get out of it. That is what I'm trying to say. Some herbalists, some people into herbal therapy, they were trying their best based on their psychological thinking, based on their inspiration, based on the theory on ground. Maybe they inherited it or something. What I'm trying to say is this: time without remembering. In the ancient time, there is a particular solution for liver problem. There is a particular a natural solution, a concussion for the problem of the liver. Be it liver problem, be it fatty acid on the liver, be it liver cancer, there is a solution for it. There is a solution for liver problem. I can say it authoritatively and I can prove it. But if your liver problem was caused as a result of hepatitis B, that is where the problem lies. Your liver, there are some herbs that will make your liver not to be damaged, that can make your liver to propel, that can make your liver to live long, that can make you to survive in life. Your liver will function properly. But the hepatitis that tainted your blood, when you want to do the test, they will just take the sample from your blood and they will say, oh, you're still positive. That means it is your blood that is tainted. So focus on your liver. If the hepatitis is still positive in your liver, in your body, focus your liver. That is what I'm trying to say. Fellow Nigerian, I'm not condemning medical doctor. I will never do that. I will never do that. Somebody said maybe that is the reason why the program was flagged or somehow. I don't blame anybody. I don't beg anybody to love and like. My own is a mission. I'm a missionarist, and I have a mission to save humanity. I will do my best and leave the rest. Either you come online or not, I don't care. It is not necessary you watch it today. If you don't watch it today, you may need it tomorrow. Even the century, the incoming century may need it. That is how I'm doing my program. Now, people want to know the significance of hepatitis B. People want to know the consequence of hepatitis B. People want to know how to come out of this problem. Hepatitis B is a fact that no one can deny. It's a fact that no one can deny. So the intention of this program, one part is to correct one for one, and to let you know that if you don't have hepatitis today, you need to preserve yourself. You need to watch your back. If someone sweats and just through the sweat in your body, don't let it dry in your body. Just make sure you get the water and shake it out before it enter. If someone give you a leftover pure water or a drink with straw, don't take it. I'm giving you the warning. If you like, take it. If you don't like, don't take it. If you don't have this hepatitis now, you are lucky. So don't misuse that you're lucky. That is what I'm saying. Don't borrow your friend's clothes, especially if that your friend has already wears it. That is number one. Use your life according to your ego. Use your life according to your psychology. Don't let shame push you to virus. Hepatitis B can spread through the saliva. Hepatitis B can spread through the sweat. Hepatitis B can spread through the sexual intercourse. Hepatitis B can spread through there are many ways, many factors that you can contact it. May God forbid. And I pray to Almighty Allah, those people that have this problem, that they have this virus in their body, I pray to Almighty Allah, oh Allah, you are the one who created us. You give us the blood, you give us the liver without collecting any money, without asking us to do anything. You just dash us this. It's a gift from God. The circulatory order of the blood from the heart to the lung to the liver is the power of God. And somebody somewhere want to destroy your work. Oh Almighty Allah, don't leave us with this problem. It is overwhelming our sagacity. I'm talking about a problem whereby a doctor will be receiving a complaint of 200 people almost every day. That is how it is in Skola Islamic Foundation. More than 100 people per day. More than 100 people. In fact, you will not be able to recognize the patient again. You will not be able to say, oh, I'm so. You will be forgetting. Almighty Allah, this is a prayer. Actually, in Skola Islamic Foundation, the outcome of our research shows that there is solution for hepatitis B. I claim it, I try it, and I'm using my knowledge and the theory of the organization. We produce an herbal cure for this hepatitis B. But the outcome of our research, I need to be frank, and I will never lie to. This is social media. If I say something that is not correct today, they will see it, they will see the truth tomorrow. I will never lie. The outcome of our research is that if we prepare the herb for 10 patients, we may have 1 out of 10. We may succeed 1 out of 10. This is not good result, and it's not good outcome. Such results cause a kind of discouragement to us, to the extent that we believe that we don't need to do this again. Collected money from 100 people, and out of that 100 you only see 5 people that get out of it. They will call, oh thank God, oh I'm out of it, oh in fact I was tested was negative. Oh, 5 out of 100 in 2016. But some of the medical doctors we have in hand, we sat together and we discussed about it. That no, we can't produce something that we cannot give you 100% guarantee. That is when those medical doctors said, you know it. If you produce it for 100, if you produce it for 1 million people and only one get out of it, you know it. But you don't need to blame yourself, but you blame the hormone system and viral load. Hormone system is different. Each human being has their own different hormone. In fact, the way our attitude and characteristics different, that is how our hormone different from one another. And another factor is the viral load. Somebody might caught this this virus, just 3 months, and the person will have more than 300,000 viral load. Why someone will cut it, oh I have this problem, I was tested positive since 2017 and the viral load is 70. Who is determining that? That is the hormone system and the viral load. We have herbal cure for hepatitis B in Skola Islamic Foundation. Meanwhile, my mission is not to sell the herb. Those patients that we have at hand, we can't finish them. My mission is to let Nigeria I want to wake you up. It's not a problem single person can solve, no matter how your knowledge. You can't solve it. It's a problem that federal government need to use their capacity, use their involvement. If you don't want all your people to die, you are crying of election, you want people to vote for you now. And this hepatitis is a virus that can spread even on the line. If you are killed and you are smashing your body with one another, if you can contact it, it is a virus. I don't know how this federal government overlook it. Please take it up the way you took up coronavirus. Take it up the way you took up this, the way you took up HIV virus. People are dying on daily basis. Many people have this problem. If they touch their right side, they will be feeling the pain of the liver. The liver has been punctured. They are on the queue to die. That is why we are crying. We are begging. Actually, some well-to-do people, they assisted all the Scholars Islamic Foundation. They assisted us. Go ahead, do it. Buy whatever you want to buy. Even there are some people, they have the problem and God solved it for them. Don't let me say I. God solved it for them. They will give you something. Use it for other people. Don't let it be Skola Islamic Foundation alone. If you have you inherited a theory, a scope about therapy theory, maybe from your grandfather, look at it, check it. There are some way you can treat our grandfather. They are treating liver problem. Check it, take it out. You can help humanity. You can save a life. And Al-Quran says, if you save one life, it's like you save humanity. That is how we started our foundation. We may not be able to save everybody, but we can save somebody. We may not be able to save everybody, but we can save somebody. My brother and sister, the campaign I'm giving out now, I want everyone to involve. I want everyone to involve in creating solution for hepatitis B. You can help your family. You can help people around you. Also, I also want to warn whoever, oh Almighty Allah, whoever, either you are a pastor or you are a malam or you claim to be an abatherapy personnel, you are taking money from people without knowing any prerequisite of hepatitis B. God will curse you and your grandchildren. Somebody is crying to you to have a problem on the liver and you collect millions of naira without knowing anything about it. God is watching you. God is watching you. Please, if you don't know it, don't cause another problem to the family. Don't collect money. They are crying. They are suffering. That is what I'm saying. I will never collect money that I won't be able to account for in the front of Almighty Allah. The money we are collecting in Skola Islamic Foundation is just to produce the app for you. It's not the money to get to maybe to buy clothes or to buy motor. They are giving us money without buying anything. We call it Islamic Foundation. They are paying us salary. They are giving us zakat. They are giving us many gifts. So you have problem. I will now be dancing, enjoying that. Oh, somebody have hepatitis B, pay 200,000 because of the problem. I will never do that. I will never do that. So I'm giving it as an example. Either you are malam or you are pastor. Somebody explained to me a problem that happened like 4 months ago, around December last year, that he has hepatitis B. And the problem resulted into liver combustion. The liver has been combusted, whereby you will see the bowel, all the stomach will swell out, and you will be seeing a little vein on the stomach. That is the symptoms. When you see someone with a big stomach and you are seeing vein in that, you will be seeing the blood flowing in that stomach. That means the person will die. They will not even take it in hospital. The moment the medical doctor sees it, they will say, you can go home. You will not survive for 4 days. I can categorically tell you some people survive it. We are talking about the power of Almighty Allah who created us. And this Allah said, you will never die without my consent. So you may have a terminal problem that people will think you will die, and God will save you. So this person, this Alhaji, was now telling me that one pastor, the family took him to one pastor, and the pastor said, I know it. There is a miracle power mixed with alkaline water. But to get it, we need to go to Jerusalem. This will cost you 2.7 million. This Alhaji has no choice than to give the pastor. He gave the pastor brought one water. The Alhaji said he doesn't know where it is. The water came from. He was unable to drink it because this Alhaji told us that water looked like something like sukudaya, the water that these Hausa people used to sell on the street. Very, very hot on the even that water is almost destroyed the tongue. This Alhaji cannot be able to drink it. They left the place and go to one malam. The malam said, oh, liver problem, we know it. Let me tell you, if you have hepatitis, don't call it liver problem. There is a problem known as liver problem separately. It may be fatty acid on the liver, cholesterol on the liver, liver enlargement, water inside liver, and the arteries blockage or the gallbladder problem. Those are the liver problem separately without having hepatitis. If you have hepatitis, whichever problem you may have, it as a result of that hepatitis. So don't hide it. So this Alhaji went to one malam and the malam said, oh, we know it, we know liver problem. Oh, in fact, my father did it, this, that. The person claims himself to be a malam, a Jalabi man. He collected the money, more than 7 million. This Alhaji said he sold his car. He sold his car, Fencer, to get the money this malam want to use. And the malam just give him something, a black powder, an ingredient ground together after burning it, and he gave it to them. Oh, go and use it with milk. Someone with liver problem, you want the person to be using milk. Those are the problem. Those are the way we are using to kill the patient. Somebody with liver problem need to go away from milk, because milk has a lot of protein, and the protein will change to fatty acid. The fatty acid will somersaulted into gallbladder, which will overwhelm the liver. The man was unable to use it, 7 point something million. He just put it somewhere. And he came to Skola Islamic Foundation. Somebody just say, if you want to die, if you go to this malam, you will not die. Even if you will die, this malam will lead you out to go to heaven. You know that kind of stuff. He came to Skola Islamic Foundation. He called us without even knowing him. In Skola Islamic Foundation, we don't treat according to the personality. We will never ask your status in society. We will never ask your position. You have problem. You are a human being. That is it. We begin. The man called, oh, so blah, blah, blah. How much is 20,000? The man was saying, I said I have hepatitis and they said my liver has been destroyed. I said, that is it. This is online program. Whoever knows me, you can ask. It's 20,000. Even if your liver is about to burst, it's 20,000. That 20,000 is enough for me to buy all the ingredients I want to use. It may not remain anything, but it will be enough to produce 2 gallons of herb. That is how we are treating it. I prepare the herb and I send it to Alhaji. This Alhaji, after 3 days, was able to stand up and walk, was able to eat and toilet, was able to urinate without color. Alhamdulillah. I'm trying to shed a light on the yesterday program because some people misquoted me to have saying you said there is no solution for hepatitis B. I can't pick call. I'm very sorry. This Alhaji was okay to the extent that he came to visit us and he brought a lot of gifts. And this Alhaji is the one narrated the story. I'm telling you, a lot of things happen like that. The problem I have with this virus is that I can't give you guarantee, but I know the solution. But I will never give you the guarantee. The only guarantee, the problem of hepatitis B is 2 things. The first one is the virus. The second one is your liver that is being at stake. So I can give you the guarantee nothing will happen to your liver if you use it, because we are able to meet some old people. We meet different people. We gather a lot of ingredients that can help your liver, that can protect your liver, that can treat your liver from any disease. We have that. So we mix it together. Something to protect your liver, to repair your liver, with something that can flush out the virus. So we mix it together. One is sweet, like a milk. The other one is bitter. So we mix it together. The moment you use the herb I'm talking about, your liver will not damage. I can give you the guarantee. And if you are feeling pain on the right side, you are feeling the pain, I'm feeling the pain, a sharp pain in your right side, that is where the liver lies, under your breast. If you use this thumb to press your nipple and you put the rest of the hand down, that is where your liver is. If you are feeling the pain there, the moment you use the herb I'm talking about, that pain will disappear. If you have the color eyes, maybe your eyes has been turned to yellow or dark, the herb I'm talking about will make it to clean. It will clears it. If your urine is colored yellow or dark, the herb I'm talking about will clears it. You will be okay. You live a normal life. If you have enough money and you do viral load before you use the herb, after finish it, you go and do the viral load again, you will see the difference and you will know that this herb is working. But I can't give you guarantee. In the beginning, I did the herb for 100 people. Only five people was able to change to negative. They came to us happy, jubilating. One of them want to travel abroad. I was thinking maybe they were Muslim, or maybe they were Christian, a devoted Christian. Maybe they are doing prayer. Then we had prayer to the herb we are selling. So if I give you the herb, I will give you prayer. Either you are Christian or Muslim. Later I discover somebody that does not even pray. Is a Muslim, but a non-practical Muslim. Is not practicing Islam, and he used the herb and he was able to change to negative. That is how I discovered that hepatitis B does not have any spiritual inclination. It's not a problem you can say, oh, it is witches in our hand, it is witch and wizard around in our area that want to kill my child, they want to kill my husband. No, it's a virus. So my brother and sister, I'm trying to do this continuation program in order to shed a light on the one I did yesterday, which was flags off. Hepatitis B have a solution, but a natural medicine. Somebody called me and he said there is particular medical pill that can treat hepatitis B. If you know a solution for hepatitis B, this is online program. Those people who can help us to cut it, help me to cut it. This what I want to say. If you know you have a solution for hepatitis B virus, please come out. If you come out, I am going to give you more than 5,000 patients. I will just redirect them to you. My mission is not to be in a virological theory, but I have different patients. Those people with kidney problem is there. Those people with heart problem is there on the queue. Those people with eyes problem, glaucoma, cataract, pterygium, they are there. Those people with bladder problem, unable to urinate, those people with the problem of prostate cancer, prostate enlargement, they were there. Those people with infertility, their own is another section. Maybe they have prolactin extra, high prolactin in the body. Maybe they have menstrual disorder, menstrual cramp, which there is no any medical solution for it in hospital. Maybe they have fallopian tube blockage. Maybe they have pelvic tightening. All these are some other problems we are taking care of, and we have 100% and guarantee on it, except this as hepatitis B. Even I can guarantee you on HIV, the guarantee I have on HIV, if I see 10 HIV patients and 1 hepatitis B patient, I prefer to go for HIV patient than hepatitis B, because of the liver. The herb we will prepare for you, you need to calculate all the ingredients. One must not overwhelm the other. It will turn to poison. That is why somebody said, please, if you want to help us, mention all the ingredients. Wallahi tallahi summa billahi qasam to be rabbil kaaba. God can bear me witness. I can say the list. All the list, we are using more than 52 ingredients to prepare it. 32 ingredients for the ingredients to prepare the liver, to treat the liver, to repair the liver, to protect the liver. All those things consist of 17 fruits and some other leaf and stem. The other ingredient, 20 ingredient, is for hepatitis B flusher, something that we think if it tainted your blood, it can fight any virus in your blood. It will deoxygenate your blood and wash away the virus from your blood. So we mix it together. To sit down in front of you, in front of the world, and be mentioning all the ingredients, it may cause another problem. Someone will not know anything, any prerequisite about the herb, any preliminary study about the herb. It will just be taking it together, mixing it without any practical evidence or proof. That is why if I will not help you, I will never harm you. If you need the herb, if you call me, if I have time, I will say, okay, send the money, I will prepare the herb and send it to you. God bear me witness. We are selling it 20,000 naira, and that 20,000 naira since 2015. I never increase it. Even if you are minister, if you are governor, we did it for governor. We did it for minister. We took it to Aso Rock. Many people bought it. I will never increase the money except you will pay your transport fare, delivery charges to your destination. Alhamdulillah, I can say it in front of God that I have. I can say it anywhere that I have testimony. But it's against my theory to showcase that Mrs. So have hepatitis and it has come out of it. That will be like I'm trying to scope people. I'm trying to canvas people to buy it. No, don't buy it from me. Look for a solution somewhere. But what my warning is that don't let it reach a stage whereby your liver will burst before you be looking for solution that can damage your life, that can destroy your family, that can make your family to become bankruptcy. They will spend a lot of money and you will not survive. That's why I say prevention is better than cure. If you like, you can take it. If you like, you can leave it. God bear me witness, I have testimony. Yet, I can never, and I will never give you 100%. I will ask you to put it in front of God. Your hormone system and the viral load will determine. Someone said, doctor, please, the hepatitis you said, I went for viral load and I said, I have just only 50. And the person used the herb. He went back to do viral load again. It was around 20. It remained 20. This person gave my number to another patient, and this patient have more than 25,000 viral load. We gave him the herb, and the viral load turned to 0 after the herb. The first person was somehow concerned. If this herb can burn 25,000 load, why can't the herb burn just only 50? I said, there is something people don't understand. This hepatitis is not the same thing. I made mention, I divided it into two yesterday. I said, hepatitis, we have chronic hepatitis, and we also have reactive hepatitis. It may be just only 10 in your body system, and you can live with it for 10 years. It will not increase. You may have a 0 viral load, but it will be reactive. They will say reactive, positive. That is where I'm going. I want you to take it or you leave it. If you buy herb from someone and the person knew it, not 419, I'm not talking about 419. I'm not talking about those people that used to harm the patient. I'm not talking about those people that used to do 419 for the victims. God is watching you, and you will never escape the judgment. You are going to fall victim one day. If you escaped it and you die, your children, your grandchildren will fall into that trap. But those people that think they use the power of Almighty Allah, they use the theory they knew to produce the herb. If you use it and the herb does not make you to become negative once, don't blame the person. You may fall into maybe chronic hepatitis, or you fall into reactive hepatitis. But it is real. Another warning I want to give again about this hepatitis, I'm going to conclude it today. Another warning is this: any medicine, any drug, I repeat, any medicine, be it local medicine or medical pill, that is powerful enough to kill the virus, that is powerful enough to turn you to tackle hepatitis virus, a pregnant woman must not use it. A breastfeeding woman must not use it. If you are breastfeeding or you are pregnant and someone asks you to use the drug, it will affect your baby. My brother and sister, if you are pregnant, don't use hepatitis drug, except if that drug is fake. Because why? If you are breastfeeding, your prolactin will high. This prolactin is a chemical that is turning whatever the mother eats, it will turn it into milk. Turning it into milk will be a process to produce a food for the baby, for the offspring. Whatever you eat in this life, your baby must take it through the milk. The chemical that is responsible to change your food into milk is what they call prolactin. When you have this prolactin in a high range, maybe 2,000 plus, and you took a medicine to kill a virus in your body, that prolactin and that medicine will begin to fight. They will fight to the extent that that thing will not be able to look like a good milk. It will be like a roasted milk. If your baby suck it, you are giving the baby automatically, you are destroying the life of that baby. You are killing the hormone system of that baby. It can damage the brain of that baby. We need to be very careful. Whatever you mother, whatever you are eating, whatever you are consuming, whatever the drug you want to take, be careful. Be careful and be mindful of your prolactin. So a pregnant woman cannot use any medicine that can kill or that can destroy hepatitis B. Pregnant women cannot use it. A breastfeeding woman cannot use it. Those are the advantage I want people to derive from this program I'm doing. It is very essential to note this. I never pray anyone to die with this virus. If you have it, look for solution. And some of the solution you can see is natural medicine. If anyone say, oh, somebody made mention of a drug, if I mention it, it will be like I'm advertising it. I reply the person, just put it on Google and name and see the company. They said it is full ABA. So I can't deny it. And I never deny it. I said hepatitis does not have any medical pill, does not have clinical solution. They can only help you to repair, to protect your gallbladder, to increase the chemical pathology in your gallbladder. But if anyone in this world will tell us to have seen use any medicine and it destroy hepatitis, that person might have used natural medicine, herbal medicine. Maybe they cap it, maybe in a syrup, maybe in a raw herb. The one we are selling in Skola Islamic Foundation is a raw herb. Without any preservative, without anything. I will prepare it and pack it for you and leave it with your God. The one we are using, some people will use it once, some people will use it twice, some people will use it 3 times before getting out of it. I'm not the one determining it. I'm not the one. It is your hormone system and the viral load and the kind of hepatitis you have in your body. So my brother and sister, those are the remaining parts. I can't pick a call. I don't want a diversion. Those are the remaining parts I want to discuss yesterday. Now, let me give a summary. I said I made mention of 12 points. The first one is that hepatitis is a real virus and is the most dangerous virus on earth. Point number 2, I said hepatitis B, there are many hepatitis, hepatitis A, B, C, and D. Some doctors said there is hepatitis E. I said hepatitis B is the most dangerous among the hepatitis because its mission is to destroy your liver. The moment hepatitis B taints your blood, its mission is to run after your liver to destroy it, or to make it swell out, or to dry the fatty acid, or to block the channel of the blood passing to the liver and make your liver to turn to something like a roasted meat. That is point number 2. Point number 3 is that hepatitis B does not have any medical solution, does not have any medical pill to treat it. I like the courage of some doctor. They will just tell you, this is a problem you have. Go and look for solution outside. Don't deceive anybody, please. And you can advise them. I can't deny it. Go and use something like Avoline, Livolin, Essential Forte to sustain your gallbladder. I don't want to mention name. I know all of it. I knew it and I know the work. I even know how they manufacture it. I know the ingredient of all of it. I can be mentioning it. I can be mentioning what they use. I can be mentioning the chemical information in each and every drug. That is the work we are doing in Skola Islamic Foundation. So point number 3, hepatitis B does not have any medical solution. If you will get out of it, you will use ABA. You will use natural medicine. Where you will get it determine upon your trust, determine upon your location, determine upon where you will get it. You may buy a lie before you will see the truth. But even if you will die with the virus. Let your Lord, let your body system, let your spirit know that you try to protect your life. That is point number 3. Point number 4, I said if you have hepatitis B, there are some components you need not to eat. Don't drink any minerals because of the chemical formation in it. Don't drink any minerals, especially those minerals. I don't want to mention name because yesterday I mentioned some name. That is why they flagged the program. I will not mention any name. Don't drink minerals if you have hepatitis B. It's not the minerals that I want you to run away for, but because of the chemical and the preservative inside it. When it's hepatitis B, that minerals, that chemical inside will weaken your hormone system, and that will make the hepatitis to procreate anyhow and kill your liver earlier. If you have hepatitis B, those are some of, that is point number 4. You know what to eat, you know how to eat it. Prevent some food. Some people will say, oh doctor, please, somebody say we don't need to eat enough, we don't need to eat meat, we don't need to eat oil. It's not part of the factor. You may be eating it, but let me tell you, if you have liver problem, let me dash people this. There is something called, I know it in Yoruba, you can type it in Google to see the botanical name. I forgot it. They call it efo yanrin. Efo yanrin, a vegetable of yanrin. Yanrin, yanrin, yanrin. Type it on Google to know that efo yanrin is one of the major solution for the liver ingredient. If you want to treat liver, that efo yanrin is one of the solution, is one of the ingredient. If you take this efo yanrin, no matter if you want to cook this efo yanrin, no matter how the oil, red oil you put in it, that efo yanrin will overwhelm it. You will not see the oil again. It will dry it off. In that regard, the research shows that if you want to treat your hepatitis, reduce the red oil and groundnut oil consumption. Reduce it. It's not that you will not eat, not to allow fatty acid to enrage your liver. That is it. That is it. You can eat meat, but since you know your liver is having problem, especially when you are touching your right side and you are feeling pain, I can say anything that your internal system will find it difficult to digest easily, don't eat it. I can say don't eat apple. Don't eat something like carrot. Anything that your internal system will not be able to digest easily, don't eat it. Because if your internal system wants to digest something, it is your liver and the oxygen in your lung that will be helping the gizzard. The gizzard is a grande machine in our stomach. Those are the things that will be helping it. So now your liver is in problem, is in danger. Eat something soft. Eat something that can digest easily. Drink enough water. That is point number 4. Some things that you need to, maybe if you call or you chat me on WhatsApp, I can be able to say it. That's point number 4. Point number 5, I made mention that a pregnant woman and a breastfeeding woman must not use hepatitis drug. Any drug, if you don't want to impact the life of your baby. It's not ideal. It's not an ideal. That's point number 5. I said a breastfeeding woman, your hormone will high. Also, your prolactin will high. Prolactin is a chemical that changes the food that the mother eats into the milk. Point number 6. I said yesterday that hepatitis B is a virus written by some people, like a program sent to the world, to the population of the world, to reduce the number of people coming to their country, to kill, to destroy. Point number 7, I made mention yesterday that hepatitis B virus is a virus that those people that wrote it believe there is no way you will contact. There is no way you will have contact with the person that have it without contacting it. That is their law. That is the theory. That's my point number 8. Hepatitis B virus is a virus that there is no way you will have contact with the victim, the patient of hepatitis, without contacting it. That's point number 8. Point number 9, I made mention that there is a way, there are some factors in your body system. I said, the Quran said in the your hormone system is different, your blood is different, your DNA is different, your characteristic, your character, your attitude is different. This means some people, their blood and their hormone will not allow you to see it in your blood. You are positive, but they will not see it. Point number 9, I said it is not possible for husband to have it without wife being have it. But you may have a blood that will not allow it to be seen. All what I'm saying, you can type it on Google and search, do empirical research, continue where I stop. It's not to reject what I'm saying. I'm not challenging you. I'm giving a preference, a reference. You can do your own and get the fact. Take my own as a reference. Point number 10. I said hepatitis B has a natural solution, which is ABA. And I said this app must have a natural ingredient. Since I said you should reduce, you should not taste anything chemical formation. So that means whatever you will use to get to heal your liver must be natural. That is point number 10. Point number 11, I also made mention that in Skola Islamic Foundation, we have a solution for hepatitis B, but it's not 100%. If you like, you take it. If you like, you don't take it. We were somehow discouraged in 2018 that no, we have kidney solution, 100%. 100%. Either kidney stone or kidney failure. I can't count the number of people that use it, and I can give you 100%. We have liver solution. We have gallbladder solution. We have many help. But this hepatitis B, how does it happen that we cannot even give like 50% guarantee? But the guarantee, I can give you all the symptoms will disappear. The pain will go. Despite this, because I'm just frank with you, despite this, I said, God will bear me witness. I have many testimony. Some people have used it and they come out of it. Change to negative completely. But I'm not the one determining it. It is not religion that determines it. It's nothing from our side that determines it. It is your God, your hormone, and your viral load. I did it for husband and wife. The wife gets clean and the husband have it. He use it again. So that's my point number 11. Hepatitis B. In Skola Islamic Foundation, we have natural solution for it. You may try it. And this solution I'm talking about, we are preparing it 20,000 naira. If you are with me or you sit down, if I write the ingredient like this fruit, 17 fruit, you will see. So it's not something we are gathering money from. That is my summary. In conclusion, My brother and sister, you know, I said any program I'm doing, I'm presenting it like an academic paper. In my conclusion, hepatitis is real and it's killing. Watch your back. Those people that have it, please don't silent. Try to be looking for it. You may be among the people that will have testimony. I'm not saying we are the only one selling it, but I'm one of the people who can come out that I have testimony. I'm one of the people who many medical doctor, they are buying the one we are producing. They will buy it to their hospital, but it's against medical megarism to mention name of any doctor. But I'm telling you, medical doctor will never forsaken their theory to buy herb. They will continue to prove their theory. That is, they were trained to do that. They were trained to condemn herb. Yet this hepatitis propel them, push them out to look for herbal solution. So I'm one of the people who can boast that I have more than 100 doctors in Nigeria. They will say, oh, produce for 10 people, oh, produce for these people, or give some people my numbers. But I'm not the only one, and I can never be the only one, and I never wish to be the only one. Look for people. The reason why we are assisting people towards it is because of 419. Something that I sell 20,000, someone will say they have spent 10 million. So that is the difference. So if you have hepatitis, I'm trying to advise you, please and please, hepatitis is like HIV virus and is even beyond HIV. Try to look for something to be using in order to safeguard your liver, in order to curtail the procreation of it. There will not be, if something is moving in your body and that thing is procreating, increasing every day, if you are using something, it will reduce it, it will kill it. So this is where we are going to stop. We have a lot of program. I've done this in Yoruba, part 1 and 2. If you go to this foundation, you will see it. Hepatitis B, natural solution 1 and 2. I'm saying this because of the people, they were asking, oh, please say it in English, we want to know. This is what I knew. I never say I'm 100% sure. I never say I'm the best among the people. I'm trying my best, but my mission remains the same. To save humanity is my concern. It is not possible to say a human being will save humanity, but if I can't save everybody, I can save somebody. I remain my name. If you have a question, or you need more detail, or you need more information, or you want to buy herb I'm talking about, my number is here, or you can chat me or on WhatsApp. I remain my name, Abdulkabir Olaya Suleiman, popularly known as Dr. Skola. This is where we are going to stop till we meet tomorrow with another episode of program. May God preserve, may God protect and preserve our life till tomorrow. Inshallah, I will stop here. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.